Did you know that one could gain 100% or lose everything if a stock rose or fell by 33%, respectively? This is the theory of leveraged ETFs. They might be scarier than margin investment, where you can receive 100% of your loan investment. But for seasoned investors, these short-holding debt investments align with their risk appetite. For today's video, we will discuss 3 ways you can use loan debt to make more income. Number 3. Margin investing. Margin investing is an excellent way for your debt to work for you. It does not mean receiving the money to use in your daily life. The debt is stored in your investments until you can pay it back in full. For instance, you want to buy more stocks than you can afford. Thus, whatever you have in your account could be doubled by your investment brokerage, which you will pay back as your investment yields money. To illustrate, let us say you have $10,000 in your brokerage account. This investment is strong enough that you can use it to bargain an additional $10,000. Simply open a margin account, and the brokerage will loan you the debt cash to buy stocks. Now, as the stocks start making a profit, you will be able to pay back the $10,000 loan until you can declare the whole $20,000 rightfully in your name. On the one hand, growth in dividend stocks can make this goal attainable. On the other hand, suppose the inflation and economic situation is unfavorable as now. You could be stranded. You must repay this debt on time regardless of the stock investment making profits or losses. Once equity falls in your stocks, the brokerage can issue a margin call, primarily leading to liquidating your position on the stocks and scoring losses. Another risky investment gang that ends similarly is Forex trading. If you have incredible foresight on how to invest, you could earn $1.1 billion by predicting a currency's downfall. Shortly, we will bring you the story of George Soros, the man who broke the Bank of England. Number 2. Leveraged ETFs. Another way that your debt can support your financial freedom goal is through leveraged ETFs. The investors are invited to multiply their returns for this type of exchange-traded fund. When one invests in bonds, sectors, commodities, or indexes, there are bargains in their upward climb. Therefore, a leveraged ETF can suggest that you are awarded a 2 times profit for each new stock gain. To calculate, if your fund makes $2 earnings per stock, that translates to $4 per stock. This unique opportunity is a powerful tool in the hands of someone great at trading, as they can take a loan during a market boom and double the amount in a matter of days. Some fund companies can go as high as a 3 times return. Hence, one makes 300% on stocks within hours. On the contrary, this loan debt trick can be risky. Of course, tripling your returns sounds fun, but it can become harrowing if your losses are also tripled. Similar to the arrangement for profits, each stock decline will be doubled or tripled. This means your money could be wiped out in seconds. Tesla's 40% stock decline from its last all-time high will reflect an 80% or 120% decline for your stock. I do not know anyone who wants to pay back 120% of loan debt they never used. In fact, one would lose everything if a stock fell 33%, and they were on 3 times leveraged ETFs. If you want to know about the man who broke the Bank of England, subscribe to our channel. We have more on investments and how the internet works. Number 1. Forex Trading. On September 16, 1992, American George Soros convinced many investors, including the Bank of America, J.P. Morgan, and Jones Investment, to buy the pound sterling as budget money because it would significantly fall. At the time, Great Britain was joining the rest of Europe to compound their currencies in a move called the exchange rate mechanism. However, their interest rates and the brink of recession would not allow them to go all the way. Further, Soros had placed a bet on the currency and got all these investors to buy the pound sterling in significant sums. When the currency fell due to the strenuous demand, the investors paid back their loans, but their USD had more value now. Therefore, Soros alone made $1.1 billion after paying back that entire amount he took from the England Reserve. That is truly how to make money on speculations and feelings. Forex traders can use a small amount to make so much money quickly. If you bought a currency for $1,000 right before the currency depreciated by 30% against the dollar, you have made a 30% gain on your trade. In some cases, the foreign currency never recovers. However, there are situations where the currency can spark an unknown demand and wipe out all the profits in a few minutes. However, a master of the Forex game can transform their fortunes with a quick loan if they can properly predict the foreign exchange rates. Indeed, Yvan Blayaji, a seasoned trader and author, once said, "Confidence is not, I will profit on this trade. Confidence is, I will be fine if I don't profit from this trade." For those who might not want to take any loans, there are digital marketing jobs that can make more income in a short time. For one of our previous videos, we discussed the fastest ways to make money with copywriting skills.